Hi, Cade Courtley here for 4 Patriots. Now, during National Preparedness Month, 4 Patriots is working hard to make sure everyone is prepped and ready for whatever comes their way. And today, we're answering the questions, how much protein should I eat in a day? And how do I make sure I've got what I need on hand? Now, as a former Navy SEAL and longtime survival expert, I've dedicated my life to helping folks get prepared in case of an emergency. Because the last thing you want to find out the hard way is you're not ready when a real crisis hits. Any critical part of being prepared is having enough nourishing food on hand, especially if you have to shelter in place or bug out in a hurry. You need food that's easy to prepare and able to be stored for long periods of time. So you can stock up early and leave the scrambling for food to the other guys. A wide variety of food on hand is important, not just to keep you satisfied, but also to keep your strength up, your immune system primed, and your mind sharp. And one of the most important things is to make sure you have a ready supply of protein. Now, protein-rich foods tend to keep you full longer, which is vital in a crisis. A little goes a long way, but there's more to it than that. Your body uses protein to build and repair tissues and protect muscle strength. You also use protein throughout your body to make hormones and enzymes. Protein delivers critical amino acids, which our bodies use for energy and physical performance. And protein is the building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and even your blood. Everyone needs protein, no matter what your age. But as you get over 50, your needs increase because you have to work even harder to keep muscles nourished and strong. How much you need depends on your age, your body weight, and how active you are. But a quick calculation is to multiply 0.36 by your weight. So if you're 180 pounds, that's about 65 grams per day. If you weigh more, you're especially active, or you're older and worried about protecting your muscles and keeping your strength up, you're going to need more. Now, this sounds like a lot, but if you have the right foods on hand, you can hit your target even in an emergency. Some protein-rich foods are going to be tough to store or even find in a crisis situation. Now, it's unlikely you'll have eggs or cheese on hand unless you have your own chicken coop or a goat. And if you do, good for you for being really prepared. Beans, nuts, and seeds are also high in protein, and beans in particular store well and are very versatile. Adding beans to soups, stews, and chilies drive the protein value up and will help you stay full and satisfied. Protein powders like Patriot Power Protein are also a good portable choice to get a serious protein punch in an easy to prepare way. 15 grams in one glass, and all you need to do is mix and enjoy. All good options. Though I don't know about you, but when it comes to protein, I tend to gravitate towards meats. My body craves it when things are normal, of course. And when things get dicey, there's something about a satisfying dinner that includes real meat that makes you feel like everything's gonna be okay. Still, when it comes to survival food, meat can be an issue. Fresh meat is often not very practical, or you need to hunt for it yourself. And let's face it, you may not be somewhere where hunting is even possible, or maybe you've never hunted before in your life. Now, where I live in Colorado, I could easily bag my own game. That's just not an option for a lot of folks. With freeze-dried real meat on hand, like the 4 Patriots Gold Medallion All Meat Food Kit, you'll have hearty beef and chicken ready to use now or decades from now, because it lasts up to 25 years. Now, just a quarter cup of 4 Patriots freeze-dried beef delivers 8 grams of nourishing protein. And you get 12 grams of protein in the 4 Patriots chicken. That's enough to make any meal filling, satisfying, and protein-rich. So my advice to you is to get your emergency plan together, focus on a wide variety of foods to protect yourself and your family, and don't forget the protein. For more information on the 4 Patriots Gold Medallion All Meat Kit, just click on the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to our 4 Patriots YouTube channel for more videos like this one, so you can be a survivor, not a statistic.